Watch it. Isn't that hilarious?
Hey, yo! Yeah.
Hairs in it.
It's a hair tractor.
Watch it.
I know, it's Charlie hair. Show Ethan how to drive the truck and see if he can. Yeah, that's the way, Ethan. That's the noise.
You want to go fast? Is your little car have to? Is it automatic shifter?
The brown car? Yeah.
You know what's that little brown thing?
What brown thing?
Brown thing that you go like.
That's the automatic shifter. It's just down on the middle there.
Dad, look how many hairs are in it now.
Ooh, it's a hair picker upper. Can you make a truck noise, Ethan?
No, this, Ethan, no, and put your hand right here.
What's that noise? Oh, he's such a little truck. He's a truck. What's that? Who? Oh, man, that's such a bummer. You guys miss having your cousins around.